Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're diving into how to secure your Power Pages by disabling anonymous access using governance controls. This means only authenticated users can see your sensitive data, keeping your information safe and compliant. Let's jump in. First, log in to your Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. On your screen, you'll see the familiar dashboard where all your sites are listed. Next, click on Power Pages Sites from the left-hand drop-down menu. This section shows all the websites you manage. Now, head over to the top menu and select Governance Controls from the top menu of the environment list. This is your gateway to managing access. Click on the Disable Anonymous Access option. You'll notice a side panel slide out presenting different access settings. Here, choose the access level that fits your needs. None of the sites allow anonymous access everywhere, the default is specific sites. Block access on selected sites. All sites except specific ones. Block access everywhere except for a few. All sites. Fully restrict anonymous access. Select the option that suits your security requirements and then hit OK and save. Once saved, non-logged-in users will get a prompt to sign in when they try to access your content, ensuring your data stays secure. You might also see a notification banner on your landing page confirming the update. This concludes the tutorial on disabling anonymous access in Power Pages. For advanced customizations in the Power Platform tools or expert consulting on Microsoft Dynamics 365, Power Platform, Copilot, and other advanced technology needs, please visit Inogic Professional Services. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.